Hello, this is Adnan Sunny from Sunny Enterprises. Today I'm going to give you some faults, machine faults, which can come in the plant. As you can see, incorrect speed, incorrect thrust, erratic movement, no movement, movement where there shouldn't be, wrong direction, wrong sequence, so these are some of the many machine faults which you can face in the plant. And we need, since most of the equipment is run by hydraulic system, we need to troubleshoot all these machine faults. This is Adnan Sunny from Sunny Enterprises, and our 24/7 365 free helpline, hydraulic helpline, is number 00923124225402. Same is the WhatsApp number, and email are adnan_sunny@yahoo.com, sunnyadnan@gmail.com. SANNI is the ADNAN, and sales, service, repair of all types of Eaton and Vickers hydraulic equipment. Be safe, love hydraulics. Feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you.